This road from Seaford to Morant Bay, especially in the York area here, they are not doing nothing or working on the road the right way that the road is supposed to work on, because they're supposed to tilt the road and turn the road to the area where the gully is running, that's the water can run off when the rain falling. You know? Because from the other day them come and dig it up. We don't see nothing going on from about Thursday. Come back to this morning, appear rolling up a traffic on the road and something. No work going on. You know?
My name is Sharu Steve, the Councilor for C4 Division, and we are here. The government has commenced repair for the road because we had the same issue with Pamphlet. So they are doing the repair now for the road, and I know it's going to convene a lot of persons in the division.
Yes, my viewers. Yes, my subscribers. Welcome back, each and everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we know we now post regular, but you don't know it. Go to the update them. You get to me and say, and remember, we still have a life outside YouTube, but we got to take care of also. You get to me and say, my viewers, so just see with me. The update them, you know them come late and slow, but we still are making to get them down. Alright, so you want to do, just do the, you know. If you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification, leave it on all so that when you drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed upon the video. Watch out the ads, viewers, please, and like up the video. As you know, St. Thomas, we are in St. Thomas, we are in York, you can say York/Seaford St. Thomas, okay? And you know the road have been deteriorating on St. Thomas side from the other day. Very bad, okay? You have about a Pamphlet where the road that deteriorate, and you have in Seaford, that is in York, Seaford area. So we are in York, Seaford, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I know, check them are here themselves and do some rework and make sure get everything back on track. The councillor for this division here are gonna speak also, and residents are gonna speak about the work that they are performing for now. So in order for you to hear and see and listen to what they have to say, you got to stick and stay. Watch out the video, don't miss everything. And when you finish watching, speak your mind down in the comment section, okay, my viewers? Remember, speak your mind here. Let us have a debate there, okay? So bless upon yourself. Hope you all enjoy the video. As you can see them start. This is work what them start for the couple days they are here. But many more for you to see. So stick and stay. Hope you all enjoy. Do they do. Remember, I am your eye away from home. Continue watch the video. Bless up.
Yo, I know see Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging.
My name is Sharu Steve, the Councilor for C4 Division, and we are here. The government has commenced repair for the road because we had the same issue with Pamphlet. So they are doing the repair now for the road, and I know it's going to convene a lot of persons in the division, but I'm asking the residents to cope with us for a bit. The contractor is China Harbor fixing what problem we had. We had the same soil. We have the mall situation, so they are taking up that now, and I'm happy for that. That the contractor has seen fit to take up all of that soil, go straight into Seaport Square. But so I know that he's going to inconvene persons traversing this roadway. So I'm asking for patience, and we know that it's going to do properly now. So I'm asking for that patience.
This road from C4 to Mark Bay, especially in the York area here, they are not doing nothing or working on the road the right way that the road is supposed to work on, because they're supposed to tilt the road and turn the road to the area where the gully is running, that's the water can run off when the rain falling. You know? Because from the other day them come and dig it up. We don't see nothing going on from about Thursday. Come back to this morning, appear rolling up at traffic on the road and something. No work going on. You know? So from C4 to Mount Bay, the road need to tilt from up at the Adventist church, tilt it to the right. That's the water can run off where the gully is to go into the gully.
What about the gully that is blocked now by sticks?
Well, they're not cleaning it. They're not cleaning. From the hurricane, yeah, from hurricane burial, the water them just leave it at that. Even the drain in my little community here, nobody come and clean the drain in here. You know, and when the rain fall all out here, so the drain just block up. The water have nowhere to go. Right? Sometimes if we come and clear it, it don't clear. You know, because they're not doing nothing whatsoever in the road, in the local road here. Right? Nothing at all. You know, so all of them think that we need to get it solved out and the vehicle can have a free flow on the road, even when them say them working on the road. No, but appear holding up traffic because you don't see no work man, I do no work on the road from the other day. You know? Yeah, and the mall where them throw up on the road, them stop throw the mall and throw shingle. That's what this road need. You don't need a mall on the road, a shingle it need. Right? That's the shingle can balance the road the right way. That's when them asphalt it, the asphalt can hold. You know? Yeah.
This road
right? You know, it was a good, perfect road until them come work on it the other day. And when them work on it the other day, just dig up from Mark Bay to come back all the way to C4.
Yeah, I'm Ayakunko Walker, representing for Chec. So we're doing some work at the package 14 in Seafort, and we have some delays on the work pertaining to material wise. Right, so we are trying to do our best to fix things soon as possible. Right now for today, we are not quite sure, but we put in some order for some material maybe a week ago, and we here today to wait for material. Not sure we're gonna get it today, but We are going to do some more work on the project just to make things better for the motorists and for the people that living in the community.
Main goal will lead from C4 to bottom yard. The main goal is passion, main goal is state where it is now. See it there? The state of the goal, the main goal go to river. Passion goal, the main goal. The state woodland it is now. Big tree growing right, all type of thing. Some big log, everything in there need to clean. No free time it not clean. Come right and say to have a look thing. If it's proper, you can clean up it done. See it a log, all them log in it, and log then they see the big tree them, the log, well, a log. I see it as a goal. A business, a fair business. Fair business, them things they behind. Turn over. Water come, knock them up. Then if you get out of the gully, can't see it. This is not a corporate. No man, it's bad.